we want to find the volume of a cuboid, then you basically multiply the height by the width by the depth. And so it's going to be x squared times y. Another way of thinking about it, because this only works for a cuboid, but in general, you'd find the cross-sectional area, which in this case is x squared, and then you times it by the length. But if you had something like a triangular prism, then the cross-sectional area wouldn't just be x times x. It would actually be half x times x, and then you would times by y, for example. I just wanted to go into a little bit of detail on that. We then just need to find some values of x and y that will work, that when we put them in, we can square the x and times it by y and get 100. So I think a good shout is to try x is 10, because then I get 10 squared, which is 100. So what do I times 100 by to get 100? It's just going to be y is equal to 1. There we go. And then just pick some more numbers. There's actually an infinite number of possibilities, but if you pick maybe ones that kind of go into 100, so if x is 5, then I'm going to get 5 squared, which is 25. 25 times something is equal to 100. Well, that's going to be 4. I could also do 100 divided by 25 to get my answer. So those are two possible answers. There's lots of answers. Here are a few more. So x is 1. 1 squared is 1. You then have to times it by 100. X is 2. That would give you x squared is 4. Then you'd have to times it by 25. You get some more awkward ones as well. X is 4. Then you'd get 16. And then you'd have to do 100 divided by 16 to get 6.25. But at the end of the day, your answers will work. As long as you square the x, times it by y, and get 100, you can be pretty confident you got this correct. Well done.